Welcome you to this session on machine learning. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the logistic regression. In our previous lectures, we discussed about the linear regression. The main difference between the linear regression and the logistic regression is linear regression is used to predict a continuous quantity, but logistic regression is a machine learning algorithm which is used to predict the categorical value. Here, categorical value means the output of the logistic regression can be yes or no, 0 and 1. Now the question arises, how we can use the logistic regressions. Let's understand this concept with an example. Let us consider a small scenario. You want to predict the climatic conditions, like whether tomorrow will be rainy day or not. To predict this, the climatic conditions, here we can use the logistic regression. So based on the past data, you can use logistic regression to foresee the outcomes. Logistic regressions will allow you to analyze the set of variables to predict the categorical outcomes. So output of the logistic regression will be in terms of yes or no. Logistic regression is a method which is used to predict a dependent variable of y given an independent variable of x such that dependent variable is a categorical value, which means it can hold the values like yes or no, 0 and 1, true or false. Now I will explain more about this in a depth in a while. In order to understand how logistic regression works, first look at the linear regression equation. This was the linear regression equations that we discussed in our previous lecture as shown on the screen. Here y stands for the dependent variable that we need to be predict. B0 is a y-intercept, B1 is a slope, and x here represents the independent variable that is used to predict y. E denotes as the error. Logistic regression is derived from the linear regression. Now, so the formula used in the logistic regression is shown on the screen. According to this formula, independent variable is x, y is dependent variable which is a categorical variable, and here we need to predict an dependent variable that is y given an independent variable of x. If you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent technologies, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.